So this project is a result of a lot of partnerships. First with the Weaverville Water District, which provides the water to 4,000 residents in Weaverville, and was very concerned because disruption of this dam would leave the town high and dry. So it took a lot of effort to work with them and address their concerns. The project was funded by a number of agencies. The California Coastal Conservancy helped us with design and permitting. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service worked with us. And then the Trinity River Restoration Program was the third leg of our partnership in funding. We've also had the Bureau of Land Management and California Department of Fish and Game provide people for the actual implementation, relocating fish when we started construction. So we've had a broad cross-section. Another partner in this, if you will, were the trail users. This is a very popular trail, and the project occurred right on the trail, so we had to move the trail. And for 2 seasons, we had lots of hikers come by, and once we reopened the trail, we had lots of questions. A lot of people were involved, and we really appreciate their patience.